Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like.
Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead.
Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like.
And like, it's football, man. And he's our quarterback, we got his back, and we got anything to say, quite frankly.
We're shattering the silence, we're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards, so we were liars. So we're not heroes, we're still survivors. The dreamers, the fighters, no lying. I'm tired, but dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why do we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like.
And with Seattle, it's Sam Darnold. Can you trust him?
By the way, he didn't play great against the Rams. He had a good drive late in the game. We'll give him credit for that, but he wasn't good in that game.
If I can see Sam Darnold have a shocking chance at identical redemption,
And Sam Darnold kind of tailed off a little bit. Even though he's playing not really good football, but good enough football, he's kind of tailed off.
Sam Darnold, I give him his flowers for the season he has had. We got a lot of past data on this guy that shows a lot of interceptions. And
Can you trust him based on the way last year ended?
It's Sam Darnold, and it's
Sam
so
Darnold, I give him
weird.
Sam Darnold
needed
on the
to
as a
road.
quarterback, you just objectively Sam Darnold.
We have a vision for you and this football team. I want us to just take a minute here and fast forward to January, NFC Championship. It's 30-something degrees. All right, it's wet, it's windy. All right, shitty for them, okay, but it's just right for us.
Darnold taking a shot downfield. Open again is Horton for a touchdown.